I can explain. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, I know. I've been gone due to technical difficulties. Now for the truth. I was taking out my faux locks. That took longer than I expected it, honestly. Let's just say roughly 2 weeks. But I blame that because I'll be busy, you know what I'm saying? I'll be, school, Now that that's over, I am back. And obviously you noticed something different. Yes, like I said, I took out my faux locks, and here. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do twist out. Very simple, very easy, very nice. The only product that I really will be using today is leave-in conditioner, Cantu. I have heard rumors about Cantu. I don't know why they're low-key canceled. I heard they're canceled, but I don't know. Someone explain, let me know. I've been using Cantu leave-in since I went natural. So maybe 8th grade. It's been a while. If you could just let me know why they're canceled. I mean, they haven't done me wrong yet. This video is going to be about twist outs with just leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner you want. I'm just using what I got. This is the one that I use. I've been using it for a while. Make sure your hair is freshly washed and detangled. This is freshly washed hair. I just got out of the shower. And make sure it's damp. Not soaking wet, but make sure it's damp before you start. Let's get to the video. Also, keep the flag representing the smiling coast. Look like when taking this down. Before you take this down, make sure it is dry. Make sure it is not wet. I cannot stress this enough. If it is wet, you will not get the results that you want or that you expect. These have to be dry before you take them down. I cannot stress it enough. Please, I'm begging you. Please do not take them down. Do not take them down if they are still wet or damp, because it will be a book of fitting. That's just that. Don't take them down. Don't take them down. I can say this a billion times, but I won't. Please don't take them down. Good. To moisturize them, you gotta re-moisturize them because it might get a little dry when you wake up in the morning. Again, you can use any leave-in conditioner you want. Again, I use Cantu, but some people don't like Cantu, but it works for me. If you guys have any recommendations actually for leave-in conditioners, let me know. Comments, DM, you have my socials. Just let me know because this is what I started off with, and like I usually stick to what I know, but of course I'm open to trying new products. Also, you're gonna need some type of oil. I don't really think it matters. I use olive oil. Some people like coconut oil, black castor, whatever it's oils that's out there. Whatever you have, use it, because your leave-in conditioner will be used as a moisturizer, and then the oil will seal in. It will seal in all the moisture. You don't even want to put too much, because again, with it being wet thing, if your leave-in conditioner is like a little bit like, I don't know, like runny. This one isn't really. It's like more. It has more of a cream texture to it. You know what I mean? Now that you have added the leave-in conditioner and your oil, it is time to take it down. Again, I will say it again. If it is not dry, do not take it down. Do not unravel it. Buka fitted. I'm saying this again because it's very important. I do not want you to be disappointed if you take it down and it's not the way it looks, because it didn't dry completely. So keep that in mind. So this is the final look. To finish it off, you could do your edges. I usually don't. I'd be lying if I said I did my edges every day. I just started doing my edges in 2019, if we're being honest. To keep this up for more than just a day, when you go to bed, just put on your good little bonnets. Put on your bonnet, and then when you wake up in the morning, just like take it off, of course, and then just like fluff it out and use your leave-in conditioner. Fluff it out, and it'll be all good. It'll be as good as new. I say like this style lasts for maybe up to 4 days. Four days. It lasts 4 days for me. And usually if it does get like not up to par, put it up in high puff if it's not how you like. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Share this video with your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your cousins, your aunts, uncles, your friends, and anyone else that you might have ran into in your life. Cool? Thanks. But again, I am Aisatu Sambo, and this is my twist out video. Hope you enjoyed. Please come back.